Hello everyone and welcome. This is Tool. I hope you will enjoy and learn from these tutorials. In this first episode, we take care on freehand sketching. To draw something, imagine its geometry and try to divide it. Start with a global cubic perspective. Divide it into small bodies. Draw circles, ellipses, cubes to guide your main form. You can see that I have started with a brush head. I have drawn two parallel ellipses in the bottom side. Then I have drawn ellipse from brush arm. Then you can link it smoothly. And finally split the body to add some body. Now you can use another pencil guard, grad or color to adjust appearance. The down lines are in a bold form to add some shadow body. Now you can draw front view and upper view for your product. I need this step for my next videos. These two views will be useful for computer-aided design processing. You have to approach this drawing as possible as you can to real product, to not face problems for next steps. If you would like to manufacture it, and you take in consideration molding requirement as part in line. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next tutorials.